Hey guys, what's happening? How to check balance on Amazon gift card without redeeming it. So go ahead and click your name at the top if you're using browser. And then scroll a little bit down to find this settings. Let me find right here your account. So go ahead and click your account or click view your account. Scroll a little bit down. Scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find payments. And you're gonna see right here manage gift card balance. You can go ahead and click on it, and as you can see you're gonna be able to check the balance on Amazon gift card, right? You can also redeem if you want to redeem, which is irrelevant to this video, but you can redeem another gift card if you want to add a balance, or if you want to add this gift card to your balance, right? And then enter the code and apply it to your balance, right? And you can reload your balance, add funds with your credit card or debit card, right? If you want to do that, and buy with any amount, and then add the funds to your gift card, and that will allow you to buy a product on Amazon using gift card as a payment method. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.